What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And this is my last video from down here in Cruisin, Ocean City 2025 in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland. You know how it's done. I give away something in every video. Today we're going to be giving away a Bangin Gears baseball cap or a Bangin Gears knit cap like the one I'm wearing. If you could see it, because it's windy as hell right now with the logo on it. There it is. Your choice. You let me know if you win. I'll mail out whichever one you want. In order to be eligible, you need to like, comment, and subscribe to Bangin Gears on YouTube, and that puts you in the running to win the hat today. Once you're subscribed on YouTube, make sure you like and comment and all the videos I put out this week, and that puts you in the running to win whatever I gave away in those videos. We gave away more hats and a couple of Bangin Gears clocks, which are good for your shop, your garage, your trailer, your living room if you want to put it there. But other than that, the weather has been absolutely probably the best week of weather we've ever had down here. 70, 65, 70 all week long. Unbelievable, not a drop of rain. We might be going home in it tomorrow or Monday, but not a drop of rain this week. All right? You also should have got a postcard if you're registered for the show. There's some QR codes. You can use the phone, your camera on your phone, scan it, and kick you over to YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Make it easy for you guys to sign up. If you're not registered for the show, check us out. Post up what you're gonna do this summer. Post up your flyers for shows you're going to or shows you're throwing. Put pictures up. You'll have your own YouTube channel. Share your videos, whatever you guys want to do, as long as it's automotive related. All right? Drive home safe, and we'll catch you right back here in Ocean City, Maryland for Endless Summer Cruisin 2025 in October. All right? Drive safe. We'll catch you right back here on the Bangin Gears Garage.
I'll paint any car for just $99.95.
That dwells within him.
Where is the beat?
This Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Cruisin City 2025 in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland. Video coverage brought to you by Bangin Gears Garage. When it comes to video coverage, this one's bangin'.
As the wind blows through my window, it all so well. Winter came so fast.